In this video, we are going to install Part Sam's LED headlights. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Part Sam patented design 5x7-inch sealed headlight. Improved light output to improve your visibility while driving. Made with original OSRAM LED chips. Die-cast aluminum housing with a nice heatsink. It is IP67 waterproof. Hard-coated PC lens to prevent cracking, anti-fog, and is also UV resistant. 6,500 lumens high beam, 5,000 lumens low beam. It does have a ventilation breather in case of moisture or water in the headlights. It has an EMC built in to avoid electromagnetic interference and flickering issues. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So we are going to replace these here, two LEDs. First thing you want to do is remove these two screws. These two are size 10. And there's two screws down here, one over there, one over here. They are size 8. See, right over there. Next, you want to unscrew these 4 screws. Now you can just pull out the headlight. Okay. You want to just wiggle and unplug this harness here. Just like that. So here's your new headlight. And you notice you have an extra wire here for your DRL. So for me to connect that, I'm going to tap into one of those wires, the DRL wires. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our tester. We're going to go ahead and ground one end. Ground it here to this unpainted bolt. Then you're going to take your harness and test which one has electricity going through. None here. Looks like the center one does, and the third one is not. So we're going to go ahead and tap into the center wire. I'm going to make sure that's the one. When I turn off the vehicle, I want to make sure that there is no electricity going through. Alright, perfect. So the lights went out, so did that wire. So in order to tap into that, I went ahead and bought me some automotive wire just to extend it, and some male connectors. Now you want to get these posi taps, and we're going to go ahead and use that to tap into the center wire here without splicing. I recommend getting these. Just unscrew, look for that center wire. Push that in and screw it back into place. Now that you're nicely tapped into that, you get your extended wire with the male already connected. Splice out the other end. Unscrew, go ahead and feed that through. And then just screw it back into place. Make sure that's nice and tight. Now we have a good connection. Now we go ahead and get your light bulb. Look for that plug back there, and we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Just push it in nice and snug. Get our new wire. I'm going to go ahead and feed it through the back. Okay, now that once I fed that through, we're just gonna go ahead and plug that in. There you go. Make sure it's a nice seal connection. Alright, don't forget to peel off the protective cover. Might want to do that first. Then don't forget to plug your harness back. Before I screw everything back on, I want to make sure that it's working. This is your DRLs. So that middle row there is your low beam. Let's go ahead and turn on the high beams. And these turn on for your high beams as well. Now you just want to repeat those steps on the other side. DOT SAE approved. Color temperature 5000 K. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.